bakit hindi talaga siya napopromote, is una, hindi kasi siya kasabay ng mga ibang bakuna na binibigay habang mas bata pa. Kasi this is really given at a later time. Tsaka yun din, diba, naiisip ng marami just because na it is for a virus that is sexually transmitted, since bata pa, hindi na kailangan. Kasi inisip nila later pa, a lot later pa in life itong mangyayari. Tsaka yun din, palagi kasi may stigma yan. Ang iniisip nila, para magkaroon ng cervical cancer, kinakailangan maraming magiging sexual partners. Pero diba, alam naman natin, hindi yun ganon. Pagka minalas, at nalagyan ng virus, kahit sabihin natin, isa lang naman ang naging katalik, pwede pa rin magkaroon ng cervical cancer. HPV vaccines, also is indicated for the male, not for male sex. Kasi they also have their own diseases caused by the HPV virus. So, pwede kasi magkaroon ng genital warts, pwede din magkaroon ng cancer of the penis, cancer of the anal canal, and also head and neck cancers, Kasi syempre, alam naman po natin, hindi lang naman lahat puro naman din ay genital sex, meron naman din kasi oral sex din. So, pwede din siyang mapunta doon.
It's, yun nga, sabi natin, the second killer in terms of cancer, for the population. And, 12 women die a day of cervical cancer. So, and the good thing is that this can be prevented through vaccination. So, this is a vaccine-preventable disease. Ang vaccines generally, diba, they can prevent diseases, So, many diseases, and ang dami ng mga sakit, diseases that have been eliminated because of vaccination. So, that's why, with regards na mga tao na they don't want to be vaccinated because of some risk, ang benefit ng vaccination is greater than the risk. At saka sa mga vaccination, ang common yan is just, we call it yung mga local reactions, mga pain, yung fever, and fever is a systemic reaction, which is if you compare it to magkasakit ka, remember, have you seen yung sharing ng isang cervical cancer survivor, imagine, di ba? So you don't want your life to be so unfortunately like what she is.